Beginning December 19th, 2020, Canvas is replacing the classic Rich Content Editing Toolbar with the new Enhanced Rich Content Editor for all Canvas users. In this ICT, I'll show you how you can make the switch early, as well as walk you through the new toolbar and introduce some of the new features. Hello, I'm Brenda, one of the Technology and Innovation Coaches, and I'm here to show you how you can switch to the new Rich Content Editor in Canvas prior to everyone being automatically moved. And I'm going to go over some of the features you'll find in the new RCE. Remember, all Poway users, including teachers and students, will be automatically switched to the new Rich Content Editor on December 19th. To make the change now within your course, you're going to scroll down to Settings, click over to the Feature Options tab, then find RCE Enhancements, and click on the toggle switch to activate it. Along with Rich Content Editor enhancements, you can also enable the autosave feature that is only available with the new Rich Content Editor. This feature will automatically save changes you make to pages and assignments within Canvas. Now let's go back to the page and click on the Edit button. You'll see the new Rich Content Editing Toolbar, and notice its more streamlined look. I'm going to go over some of the most commonly used tools in the Content Editing Toolbar. One of the most utilized tools is links. If you select the Options arrow next to the link icon, you'll see external links if you'd like to link to something outside of your course. You can paste in the URL. You can also go to course links. This is where you'll see your pages, assignments, and other course options for navigation. There's now a search feature for in-course links that can help you access your content more easily. The Images tool can be used to upload, record media, access course media, as well as user media that's already been recorded. The Documents tool can be used to upload documents. What used to be the blue V icon to get to your external tools in the classic Rich Content Editor is now a plug icon, also known as the Apps tool. When you select the Options arrow, it will default to your most used external tools, and when you select View All, you can see the external tools available to you within Canvas. The icon at the end of the toolbar that looks like 3 dots on the far right is the More tool. When selected, you'll see a new cloud icon. This is the shortcut to the embed feature. If you have, for example, a YouTube video embed code or an embed code from another external source, you can paste the code in here. Now that we've covered some of the most popular toolbar options and shortcuts in the toolbar, let's take a look at the menu bar. All of these, from Edit to Table, are drop-down menus. If you select Edit, you will see all of the common editing options. Under View, you can expand the editing page into full screen. To exit, press the Escape key on your keyboard. There's also a shortcut to get into the HTML editor. Selecting Insert will allow you to insert links, images, media, and documents, just like you can from the shortcut in the toolbar. The Embed option is here as well, and you also have an option to insert a horizontal line if you need different page breaks to indicate different sections on your page. Selecting Format drop-down, you'll see some of my new favorite features. You'll see that you have options for different block formats and different fonts, as well as font size, alignment options, and options for text and background colors. Selecting Tools, you'll see the word count option and another way to get to external apps. If you select Tables, you can build a table, and once you insert a table, you'll get additional pop-up menus to access and format table properties. Again, from the Table pop-up menu, you can add and delete rows and columns. You can also get to the same options using the Table drop-down menu. Just below the menu bar are the rest of the tools in the toolbar. You have a shortcut to font sizes, paragraph formatting, different font options, color and background options, including a color palette where you can enter RGB or hex codes to get exact color matches. Again, across the Shortcuts toolbar are your tools for links, images, recording, docs, external tools, alignment, bulleting and numbering, indentation, and more tools. That's a quick look at your new rich content editor in Canvas. Enjoy the enhancements, and thanks for watching.